put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable, I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible, yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident, yeah, I'm unstoppable today. I put my...
Good morning, Dr. Cleopas. Welcome to Central Books Author Spotlight. So, first of all, could you share a bit about your professional background and what inspired you to write these books on Executive Protection Manual and Correctional Administration?
Yeah, sure. I'm Dr. Rolando P. Cleopas Jr. I've been in the practice of security for 2 decades now, handling sensitive positions in the executive protection world. Presently, I'm the Dean of College of Criminology sa St. Paul Colleges sa Taguig. Yun yung nagano sa akin. Because of those two experiences, separate experiences, professional experiences, coming from the private or the corporate world, dun sa ating executive protection, and dun sa government, which I was a jail officer. Yeah. So, graduate ako ng Doctor of Philosophy in Criminology sa Philippine College of Criminology. I'm a licensed protection agent, licensed training director by the PNP SOCIA, licensed security officer also, and licensed security consultant. So, I have 4 licenses na issue ng PNP para sa security profession.
When I was checking and reading your book, it was mentioned sa preface ng book niyo po na there are global threats and role of the technologies are increasing. So, what constitutes effective training?
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Magaling yung mga instructors natin, actually magaling yung mga nagtuturo ngayon, and I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate yung PNP SOCIA doon sa milestone nila, and yung safeguards na ginawa nila, yung exams, yung kanilang pag-visit daily sa mga training schools to avoid yung mga non-appearances na nagbayad lang tapos naging kinabukasan bodyguard na, protection agent na. So yun yung malaking pagbabago na ginawa ng PNP SOCIA.
In the preface of your book, you discuss the increasing global threats and the role of the technology. What do you see as the biggest challenges facing executive protection professionals?
Pero ang essence ng executive protection is all about being proactive. Being reactive is just the last resort. If you see a protection agent drawing his weapon, to me there's a failure. Meaning, nandun na sa sitwasyon na kailangan niyang bunutin yung baril. Meaning, they are inside the X. What is the X? That's the kill zone. The moment the protection agent draws his weapon, meron ng failure of intelligence. Bakit? Hindi nila na-perceive na merong threat doon. That's why we have advanced parties, right? That's why we have people checking on people.
I just wanna love myself. 난 좋을 때도 나쁠 때도 love my weakness. 화려했던 기대와는 달리 왠지 볼품없다 해도 find the good part, the good part.